Merry meet everyone. This is Shiv Shakti from Goddess Breath, and I'm here to bring you your reading for the week. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and finally Thursday and Friday. Right, take a good look. The Seven of Wands. I believe this card has come before, and today it is telling me about how you've reached a certain level. Monday and Tuesday you're reaching a certain level that you wanted to reach, but yes, a lot of people are eyeing the spot that you're reaching and they don't like it so much, and so they're going to try and contest you being in that spot. But the good part is, although it might stress you a little bit, you're completely in control. But be careful, because you really need to stock up on energy. And how do you stock up on energy? You sleep, you eat the right food, and you know that your mind needs to be in the right space. So that is Monday and Tuesday for you. Bit of a hard work day, hard work 2 days, but yet not as bad. The center of the week, Wednesday, is the Two of Wands. Now, the Two of Wands is telling you that after having accomplished or reached where you wanted to on Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday is a day for further planning for you. It's the middle of the week and you're starting to dream. You're starting to believe that you can do more stuff, but you're still on hold mode. You're not going to run off and start doing stuff because you feel like doing it, you want to do it. No, you're going to take time, you're going to wait, and you're going to watch. You're going to see how the movement of everything that is important for your decision is going to affect your decision. And I think that's a very, very wise movement. And I would say do not be afraid to dream big here, because you have the potential, and it will definitely pay off in the long run. It will definitely pay off. The bigger your dream, the more it will pay off. Just don't be scared to dream big. Okay. And finally, Thursday and Friday. It's one of my favorite cards again. It's the Empress. This is all about a lot of material gain. It's just if I tell you a story for this week, it just feels like you had the stress. You reached where you wanted to. You had the stress. You started to look forward, and finally it is like a blessing from the goddess that tells you do not have to worry at all, because I am taking you where you really need to be. This is all about abundance, all about material prosperity. It is all about being really, really creative. It is a lot of feminine power. So maybe an older woman, a mother figure, is coming into your life just to help you maybe. Also, you could kind of decide to take a little break, like a day or two, in a greener space. Where I live in Bombay, it's not that green anymore. So I would walk off, like just maybe a few hours off, and I'd come to a much greener space. So just like that, you need to come to a much greener space, because that will help you regenerate. It'll help your mind start getting creative more and more. It'll help you relax. It'll help you understand the circles of nature, the circles and the rhythms. It is important that you understand the rhythm, because what goes up comes down, and there is a full possibility of your happiness going really high. But if you're not careful maintaining it, it might come down again. And the impact of it coming down will be more if you're not able to maintain it. So that is the important part for you. Yes, so that was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And finally, the angel card. Ooh, it's Archangel Michael. I'll read it for you. Remember who you are. Archangel Michael. You're a powerful, loving, and creative child of God. You are very, very loved. Just be yourself. Just totally be yourself. Be exactly who you are, and that is what is important. Just like the Queen said, just like the Empress said. It's a very similar kind of card right there. Creative. She's all about creation. And you're a powerful child of God. This gives you power. This talks to you about power. And creation also. This also talks about creation. Yeah, it may be a mental creation, not a physical, not a physical creation. But the fact is, it is a creation all the same. I think you have the blessing of creation this time. You have the blessing of power. You have the blessing to just be yourself. Go ahead and do exactly what you want to do. And you have the blessing to be successful what you want to do. So this week is a rather successful week. And I would just suggest that you try and incorporate a little blue Yeah, a little blue in your colors, or a dark purple, in the colors of your costume, or something around you. Carry a crystal or something like that. But all said and done, it's a really beautiful week, and I hope it plays out well for you, and I hope you are able to understand all the blessings that are playing out for you. Have a really great week, and I'll see you on the weekend. Take care. Bye bye.